Combining a distinctive design alongside an impressive range of cooking features, this Rangemaster gas cooker will suit any style kitchen. The two multifunctional ovens provide you with a range of options to choose from to cook all types of dishes. Featuring the convenience of both fan and conventional heating, you can achieve mouth-watering results for all your dishes no matter your preference of heat technology. With catalytic liners in the top and the bottom cavities, food and grease spills are absorbed and oxidised, making them easy to remove with a simple wipe of a cloth. For straightforward cleaning and minimal maintenance without the need for elbow grease. With a fully programmable main oven, you can set the required cooking time that your delectable dishes need in order to be cooked evenly and thoroughly. Designed for your convenience, stay in complete control of the entire cooking process. Bring home this Rangemaster gas cooker offering complete versatility and maximum cooking capacity for all your culinary creations.